What's up guys, BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans, and tonight we are at a MAAAAAJOR Regional Raceway down here in South Florida. Gonna be a good night of racing, guys. We got a lot going on. So we stopped the top 10 list for a little bit, and now for the next to be seen, it's just gonna be called Shenanigans Shootout. So we're gonna have a low dollar buy-in, and it's just gonna be a shootout I think I'll probably do it every 3 or 4 weeks. So should be a good night of racing. We got a lot of cars coming out. I think we got like 12 to 14 cars, small tire shootout. Let's go. By the way guys, if you haven't, make sure you hit backyardshenanigans.shop and get yourself some badass merchandise, bro. If you like race cars and race car accessories, this shirt, it might be for you. All right guys, finally got that situated. Sorry, I'm confused. I am disorganized as heck. But we got 13 cars, 50 bucks a head. Maybe there'll be a little bit of gambling, but $6.50 to the winner. Let's go. It's a good night of racing. Guys, so we had a little bit of a time delay there. I don't know if we're gonna get it all in tonight, but the track is now clean. There was a ton of oil out there. We got it cleaned up, we got it dragged, and we're about to race round number 2. Shenanigans Shootout, here we go. All right guys, so unfortunately,
I want to be in the picture.
You wanna be in the picture?
Yeah.
Okay, there you are.
Cheese.
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 All right guys, so unfortunately, the car spun out in the right lane after we got all the oil and stuff cleaned up, so we called it a night. So we'll have to do another one. And today we're racing Cool Whip. You think Cool Whip can be intimidated by a little bitty Ford motor? All right, it's a 5.0, but you know, I'm rocking the 4-point Great Leader, which accounts for a little bit more than that, you know what I mean? But we're out here, we're just gonna have a fun time at a MAAAAAJOR. We got Steven out here, all the way from Utah. We got Hot Ronnie, we got the kids. It's gonna be a good night, stick around. See that view? Be careful. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Alright guys, so I get out there, killer light, hit a 06 on the light, and then 1.460 foot, but I think I didn't have enough gas, and I think the fuel sloshed in the back of the tank because I got intake pumps, and so now we're about to see if that was correct or not. Oh shit. I don't know how to work this. Here, we're gonna close all that. Alright, stop filming real quick. Stop filming, man. Tommy!
Talk about speed. There you go.
There you go. Yeah. Big old rocket. I think that's a Falcon Heavy, Tesla style. right, dude, so 2 good rips. Just the first rip actually ran out of gas. Got a lot of gas in it now, so that's good. What do you think about that, Ronnie?
You have some chips?
Yeah, that's. She liked it. Anyways, here we go. Let's take a look here.
Can I try one?
And 636 at 110 out here. Not bad, not bad. Good run. Next up, I think we're gonna take this guy for a rip. You ready for that?
Oh yeah.
You think you can handle it? What do you think, Ronnie?
I think so.
Okay. Do you think
a
he's?
helmet for him?
Do you think he's gonna?
Shit his pants.
You think he's gonna shit his pants? Zoom to hell, yeah. All right, guys, so we just took Steven for his rip. Let's get his reaction here. Ooh. Hey. All right, Steven, first time in Cool Whip. We went pretty quick there. What'd you think?
We're hauling the mail.
All in the mail. Did you dig it?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right, guys. Veronica knew I was gonna say all right, guys. Like, do I say that too much? Is that a thing? I don't know. All right, guys, here we are. Anyways, just made another rip in Cool Whip. Fastest pass she's ever made. I don't know if you guys could see it, but she went 632 at 111 mile an hour. What do you think?
I don't know. I just remember the gap from
Oh,
earlier.
no, he just remembers the... These Ford guys, I tell you, you let them win one time and they just, they never let you live it down. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button. We will catch you on the next video.